In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently add srt.iss or SSA subtitles to a video file using Handbrake. This is a fantastic skill for content creators, film enthusiasts, or anyone in need of adding subtitles permanently to their videos. So let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to launch the Handbrake application on your computer. Handbrake is a powerful open source video transcoder that works on both Windows and Mac operating systems. If you haven't already installed it, take a moment to download it from Handbrake's official website and then open it up to get started. Once you've got Handbrake open, the next step is to bring in your video file. You can do this by clicking on the open source button in the upper left corner of the app. This allows you to navigate through your files and select the video you want to work with. If you prefer, you could also simply drag and drop the video file directly into the Handbrake interface. This is particularly handy and speeds up the workflow. Now that your video is loaded, it's time to shift your attention to the Subtitles tab, which you'll find among the selection of tabs in the app's dashboard. This area is specifically designed for managing subtitle tracks and is where you'll import the subtitle file of your choice, be it SRT, TSS, or .ssa. Within the Subtitles tab, you'll see an option labeled Tracks. Click on this and select Import Subtitles from the drop-down menu that appears. This option will open a dialog box where you can browse and select the subtitle file you wish to embed. Be mindful to pick the correct file type that corresponds with your subtitle format. Once your subtitle file is loaded, the next crucial step involves the burn-in option. This setting ensures that your subtitles become a permanent part of the video. It's often located within the subtitle settings, so look carefully. When you've located it, check the box to enable this feature. This action guarantees that your subtitles are permanently burned into the video, meaning they'll display on all devices without needing separate subtitle files. With the subtitles set to burn in, choose your desired output format and specify the destination folder for the final video. This step will determine where your processed video will be saved and in what format, MP4 and MKV, GTC, and KV being the most common choices. Finally, you're ready for the grand finale. Simply click on Start Encode to begin the process of embedding the subtitles into your video. Handbrake will handle the rest, and in just a few minutes, depending on your video's length and quality, you'll have a newly encoded video file with subtitles permanently embedded. And there you have it. Adding subtitles using Handbrake really is that straightforward. Thanks for sticking with me through this process. Happy video editing and see you in the next tutorial.